It's not me, I didn't knock it over.
John didn't do it.
I've knocked that thing over, I think 3 times.
John, what did you do?
I didn't knock it over, he did, but I'm just making sure he's in the camera.
So this little unit here, well, it's our new wire rack. It used to be behind or underneath.
Or anything like that. Nothing.
I got it.
Used to be under that table.
I got LED.
Now we have a little bit of organization. So I'm not, kind of in the way here. So I'm not sure whose design this was. I think it was Christian. I know it was cut out on the ceiling. I like it though. Double-sided, on wheels, and easily weighs about 1,000 pounds. You doing anything cool right now? That's kind of cool. Okay, Guy is doing some flooring in Sully. Let's go check that out. Okay, so I haven't updated these builds in a little bit. I think I was gone for 2 days total. This thing's completely changed. Hey, we've got our Audacity flooring. What color is this?
I haven't even looked.
Okay. Okay, we've got Asheville, or Hearthside Asheville. So we have talked about our laminate flooring before. This is a 10 mil floating adhesive backed, sorry, not adhesive backed. It's got the foam backer already installed. It just makes install a little bit quicker. Other than that, super scratch resistant and 72-hour waterproof. Great fit for an RV. What else is happening? What else is happening in here?
Filling holes.
sanding them down.
Just window prep.
Yeah, all the holes, all the drywall holes, plywood holes.
Okay, so Logan is currently filling holes and sanding endlessly.
It's not bad with the bunk bed, it takes up a whole room. There's
That's
less
true.
to do.
Get everybody in the smallest bus possible.
And that's 5 guys in a bus. Okay, so the biggest change, roof is completely done, furniture moved in, flooring going in, and all of the walls are paneled. So Sully's rocking. Baby, that's a knockdown. Who pushed that?
John.
Okay, let's go check out the Gandalf build. So this is Ben's build. It's the white flat nose. Nice white stairs. I don't even know where to start. This thing is so far past our last update. Okay, let's show off the stove today. This is a Cubic Mini Grizzly. On this unit, we decided to use a pedestal mount. We've got this extremely cute little log pincher. Got a little door here for some kindling maybe under there. What else do we have? Got all your venting controls here. So, this is our heat shield mounted on the wall. We got our flue going out the top. So this is a 3-inch flue with a 5-inch exit. So this is an insulated exit going about a foot past. This pass-through finishes by code, a foot over the highest roof line. That's just to ensure you get enough draft. You don't have any issues burning your fire. If you plan on doing some cold camping or living in the cold, if you're going full time in your bus, these Cubic Minis, they're expensive, but they're awesome. We do have some super funky things happening behind me here. All the uppers and shelving is in. Looks like the range is in. I'm gonna wait till next week to show that off. We did just hear a large bang go off in the shop. Are you okay?
I'm fine, it just took me by surprise. It rolled off the table. Turns out things that are round roll.
But you fixed it.
It won't be rolling anymore.
I like that color.
Asheville.
Yeah.
There's 3 wires.
Leave it open and when we get it, we're at it.
How are you guys?
It's a nice broom.
Yeah. Is that our new broom?
Yeah, that's nice.
Good old Greg's. Okay, well that's the week. Rouge is cleaning up the office. He's on duties this week. I think the last thing, a lot of progress has been done in the office. That is a new office floor. So this part's getting finished later. We gotta move the offices up. That's gonna be stairs. I don't even know what to say. We're super excited to move up here. We got Rouge's office. I think it's all wired up. Lights. Trims in, window trims in. I believe just a final paint. Waiting for our glass to go in right here. Oh, baby. Okay, so this whole area, this is gonna be the living space area. Kind of staff hangout. So this space, this is gonna be our morning meeting area. A couple whiteboards. And this side is, well, that's gonna be Lori's office in that corner. Right down the middle here, right down the gut, we're gonna have, well, this is gonna be a 12-foot boardroom table. This side here, this whole wall is gonna be whiteboard, probably some design, samples, things like that. This is the brainstorm corner. Lastly, actually no, we got one more space. This is my office. Well, we're going with a dark wall, so when we film in here, lighting looks a little bit better. The last space, you can't really see it right now, but we've got a kitchen. Uppers, base units, and fridge is going in that corner. Somewhere under here is a sink. Are you happy with your new rack?
I love that.
Are you happy with your design?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And are you happy with your
I am happy with my rack.
All right, that's the end of the week.